Hi, I'm Carrie with Advanced Design Studio. I'm one of the lead project designers here, and I'd like to talk a little bit about what clients are asking me about tub to shower conversions. A lot of people don't understand the costs that are really applied to tub to shower conversions. When we have a tub and we're converting it to a shower, a tub drain is actually an 1.5 inch drain in most cases, whereas a shower drain by code needs to be 2 inches in diameter. And because of that, there are additional costs that are involved. They have to tie into the closest 2-inch drain in your home. So if that drain is located on a slab, then that would require additional work to tear up that concrete and tie it back into the original 2-inch drain that is closest by. So today I just wanted to cover that topic with you guys, and hopefully that'll help you with your project. We'll talk to you soon.